Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming FCM is active and you have the server key. This key authenticates Postman requests. Once done, open Postman and create a new post request to https://fcm googleepies.com/fcm/send or v1 endpoint depending on your key. Make sure to set authorization header to bearer or key, your server key. Also add content type, application/JSON so Firebase parses the body correctly. You're now ready to craft the payload and target tokens, groups, or topics. Next, you build the JSON payload. Used to for single token, registration IDs for multiple tokens, or /topics/your topic for broadcasts. Include a notification block with title and body for automatic display, and a data block for custom key value pairs your app handles. In Postman, paste the JSON into raw body and verify quotes and commas. Double-check headers. Authorization must contain your server key or OAuth token, and content type must be application/JSON. Then send a test request. Now you send the request and watch the response. A 200 OK with message ID means delivery queued. Errors show reasons to act on. If you see unauthorized, replace the key or use OAuth v1 with a service account. Invalid registration or not registered means the target token is stale. Remove or refresh it in your app. If notifications don't appear but API succeeded, make sure app permissions and foreground/background handling are correct. Troubleshooting tip: reissue tokens and rerun the Postman request.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.